Right at the moment, heading toward Highway 19. One mile west of 19, at about 300 north. Okay, it's coming right at me, guys. I'm right on Highway 19. Right on Highway 19. It's just west of Highway 19, heading directly at it at about 300 north. Go.
What's your location now?
Same location, same location. I've moved on to about, I'm going to have to do something here, guys. The twister is just about a quarter of a mile west of State Highway 19 at about 300 north. Moving to the east, slightly to the north, mostly to the east.
You keep saying 300 north, is that?
Yeah, 300 south.
Halfway in 19?
It's building, guys. It's much bigger now.
And very low, going across the ground, it looks like, heading toward Boulevard, heading north. 5 tornado on the ground, is that correct?
Absolutely. Tornado on the ground, it's much bigger. It's getting bigger all the time. The tornado is now it is east of Highway 19. East of Highway 19. County Mounties are all around it.
About just north.
About 200 south, just east of Highway 19, still on the ground.
Hey, I want a copy of that.
Okay, guys, if you can copy me, this is headed pretty much straight toward Greentown. I'm on Highway 19, and it's just about 200 south at about 1,000, or about 600 west, about 600 east. guys, if you can copy me, it's multiple vortex now. Multiple vortex. It looks like it's got a base of about 300 to 400 yards. Okay, it seems to be a little bit weakening now, guys. A little bit weakening, but it's still circulation on the ground. Still circulation on the ground. Oh shit. Okay, it's still on the ground. Still on the ground. I'm on 300 south, and it's still headed basically east, a little bit north.